Now, since that I don't have a toothbrush, not that I don't have a toothbrush, I truly don't want to use toothpaste. So let me do it the Ushago way. Yeah. So let me show you what I normally do. This is pure charcoal, like charcoal. I'm going to use this as my toothpaste to whiten my teeth. I've been using this for the last, how many days have I been here? I've been using this for the last 3 days. Yeah, and now this is my toothbrush and my water. So let me show you how I do it. So I take my toothbrush like this. It's a little bit wet. I put some water, it's wet. And then I press on the charcoal because I don't want to touch it. Yeah, like that. And then I rub on my teeth. Right now my teeth are so sensitive because I had what is it called? I had it being, it's called scaling. So they did scaling on my teeth, they sharpened my teeth, and then they did the washing. And then I had a root canal on this front tooth, and apart from the canal, and then they did the coating. So still my teeth is, my mouth is sensitive. I can't do hard things, but I want to try this for this 1 week and see if there's going to be some changes apart from being washed. Because I was planning, I want to go, and when I go back to Nairobi, I want to go and be re-washed, but I'm thinking otherwise. So let me try this village kind of life and see. I want to also get that stick for Muslims. So this how people, like these local people, like have that stick in the mouth, or is removing dirt when they eat something. Here in Meru we call it mokinyi, like mokinyi. Yeah, so this is my mokinyi for today. Let me use it to brush. I've gargled. My toothbrush is still having charcoal, so I need to gargle, and then I do that like a second time. So I'll repeat the same process again. Let me wash my brush. I'm going to repeat the same process, like again. That's it. And then I'm going to brush again. Now let me rinse my mouth well. clean, nice and clean. I'm feeling so good. So I'm feeling my teeth have become lighter. Guys, when you're brushing it, you need to make sure that all the particles are out, because if you bite that charcoal, I know the sensitivity. Yeah, so that's it, guys. I enjoyed doing this vlog. I enjoyed showing you how local I am when I get home. In fact, let me tell you, let me be honest with you, when I get home, I become a local, like a local, you know. I don't mind looking like a village woman. Nah, I just came to the village to be that one. Okay, until the next video,